Okay. Hey everybody. Welcome to another stream. We are so back. I hope you realize something different with me today. If not, that means everything is normal. We are grinding today. Second day of the 2027. It's gonna be amazing. Nice hat. Thank you guys. Yeah, I have a penguin now. I'm wearing a penguin on my head because some people said that I have like a rat under my other hat. So I'm just proving that wrong with another hat. If that makes sense. Probably it doesn't make sense, but I don't, guys, okay? I'm not being controlled by some rat here, okay? That's just lies. Straight up lies. What's up, everybody? How's it going, guys? Adam, Transistoric, Trianox, Daniel, Emirhan. What's poppin'? Sora, Mishra. We're just chilling. Bro is Unixing. Yeah, I'm just trying new things, you know. Python OP. Hey man, I like your username. Python and OP. OP, the capitals of my name, and Python is my favorite language, of course. Open the pilot compartment and show there's no rat there. Dude, I have the headphones, okay? So I cannot, if I just remove the headphones, everything goes dark for me. And I lose the DNB music. But this is not just a Linux, Unix, Tux hat. This is actually a collab because you have the Linux and on the other side you have the, you know how it is, man. We're just dripping today. Look at this. I have the Ratatouille and Linux collab now. It's probably is in your chest. You might make dude, no rats, okay? No rats. Just those are just lies, just spread by Adam, probably. Dude, stop telling people that I have a rat under my hat. I don't. Python mentioned, let's go. Dude, I have a Python book. It's not here. I should just probably put it there. Linux is a mindset. Dude, you're the man. You probably spreading lies about my rat, which does not exist, okay? I remember you talking about it once in the Discord server. That's why Discord mentioned. Drop the links, guys. Discord link. Come on, moderators, do your job. I'm gonna give you a raise if you do your job. Where is the WebAssembly? It's coming, dude. Chill. We're just chilling here for a second. We're just gonna take a look now. It's an amazing. It's not amazing, dude. I don't know what we're gonna do. The rat is pulling levers like crazy somewhere in there. No. No. But I hope I won't get too hot with this thing on. Probably I will, but I'm like hot anyways, you know. I mean, when you just wear something like this, you're just automatically like getting all the bitches, you know. It's like no question, nothing. You just get like, you know, but still got zero bitches though. Whatever. We're gonna get there someday. Maybe my merch game is not up to date. Merch site coming soon. Okay, so WebAssembly and Rust, right? Just gonna give you guys a quick recap from yesterday's stream. By the way, join the Discord if you're not a member already. Go ahead and become a member. You can send the raise to my grind coin wallet. Yeah, no worries. I'm just gonna wait. If I remember correctly, your wallet address is this, right? Just correct me if I'm wrong. If it's not, you can just update the details, but just let me know. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. Guys. So yesterday I was experimenting with rendering stuff on the web with Ratatouille, because that's what we're doing, bringing the terminal aesthetics to the web. And there was like, you know, some questions on my side and like we tried different things with the WebAssembly framework, and I also looked into some canvas widget for Ratatouille, which was rendering on web. But those are like, I built a website with WebAssembly, and it didn't satisfy me that much. I'm just gonna show it to you. So we are using trunk serve, and this will just build this website, right? And I mean, it's the like the typical Ratatouille look with the blocks and everything, but to make this happen, you just needed to do a lot of things outside of the the typical Ratatouille workflow. For example, you have the render function, which is like the same as Ratatouille, but on top of that, you need to hydrate your styles. Hey Martin, welcome man. So you need to hydrate your styles, and then in some other function called hydrate, you just have to attach some callback to whatever you hydrated or dehydrated, whatever. So this is not like super efficient. Like it's kind of efficient, it works, but this is not what I want in terms of building web apps using Ratatouille, because I mean, this means that you need to restructure your whole app if you want to build a website from it. And also this is using the Elm architecture, or like it's like a reactive framework. So this works as you have some views, and then you basically like those are only rendered if you update them, something like that. So this is not good, because in the normal like Ratatouille apps, you can also like render like every 16 milliseconds, which is roughly 60 FPS, and this is needed for you to be able to render animations, cool stuff in the terminal. But this is not really possible with this approach. It is possible, but it will take you some effort to get there, basically. So yeah, those are my takes on WebAssembly. So we were just experimenting. Wait, let me answer Adam's question. I'm guessing the website isn't magically converted to JS or something and isn't static, right? So this WebAssembly thing, let me run it again. This is HTML. There's no JavaScript in here. It's all HTML and all like spans and colored text, and yeah, no JavaScript in there, so that's good. I like the simplicity of this approach because you don't have JavaScript, and trunk is like super easy to work with. You have like live reloading and everything, and only thing that you need to add to your app is just the index HTML file. From network tab. Yep. It doesn't need a backend. No. Yeah, like on network, no JavaScript. We have a script here, but what is this? Probably just WebAssembly, right? I don't know. I have no idea, guys. Yeah, this is the WebAssembly stuff. But outside of that, there's like no JavaScript. Yep. And yeah, this is cool. I like the simplicity of this approach. And you don't need a backend. You don't need to add like a bunch of package.json files or like like the extra dependencies or anything like that. And yeah, we were just experimenting with that basically. And Martin was kind enough to actually go ahead, like take a step further, and did a little POC for this diagram that we have. We came up with this yesterday. So the idea is, instead of using a reactive framework like the U framework or like something like that, we basically want to use the HTML as like a typical terminal backend, which means that we don't want to do anything fancy. We just want to render something in a loop, like 60 FPS, and then also handle events by using JavaScript if possible. So it's like, you know, it's like the cross term almost. You have the cross term event read, just gives you the events, and you just call it, like, you just create your backend and then just call draw on it, and it draws whatever widget you have. So that's it. In this approach, I'm just aiming to basically land in that space. So yeah, so this is a demo that Martin worked on. This was using, what was it, wasm pack, right? This was using wasm pack, and then kind of like switch to trunk because that's like better in terms of like it's easier. Let's say you don't have to have like it, you know, when you use wasm pack, you need to like define your crate as like a dynamic library, which, you know, does not really make sense to me that much, but I can understand it from the point of WebAssembly like standpoint. But I mean, this is an app, so I want main.rs. So trunk makes you able to just use the normal Rust workflow, use main and everything. Just, you only need to have like index HTML, and then when you call like trunk serve, it just builds whatever you have in there. But wait, let me go to the main first. Oh, master, and pull the changes. Why not just add WebAssembly support directly to upstream cross term? Well, cross term is like a, yeah, I mean, it's like more on the operating system side. I don't think they might be open to like browser support, and this is like super experimental at this point. Like I'm not like creating I'm just like testing the waters a little bit, you know. It's not like I'm not going into this with all the knowledge that I needed, and I don't know every detail here. So I'm just like seeing if this is really possible, or how it can be possible, and how efficient it will be, and how performant it will be. But let's see, if this thing really turns out something great, then we might actually consider that. But the problem is, not the problem, but I think if I succeed in this, I will probably just create like another framework, because browser is like is another beast, you know. You need to basically have a bunch of like widgets and shit like that. For example, the links, like the input buttons, you know, those are just like abstractions over abstractions. So instead of just going to cross term and like upstreaming this stuff, whatever we're building, I would probably just build a framework with all the ingredients, and then if you want to cook some web application, you just use this framework, and you build your backend, like you build your terminal, and you draw your widgets. And if you want to do something browser specific, you just import those like special widgets and so on. So yeah, I'm using wasm pack for multiple projects and use Rust to write backends that run on a wasm project, and the actual app is then written in JS with React, making the whole thing extremely simple. Okay, yeah, I mean, it like wasm in Rust is like surprisingly easy to work with, like surprisingly good. I don't know, Ratatouille might be the way to make front-end web dev doable. Yes, that's the goal actually. So I'm gonna show you the demo now. Trunk serve, like not a demo, but like some little POC that Martin made for us. So let's see. So I think this is kind of failing because of the dark reader. Yeah, the dark reader just tries to like change the colors. So let me actually make the background color black so that it's not killing your eyes. 1 second. Color. I think color would be. Oh, I need to change somewhere. Wait, let's see. Create span, color HSL. There's a cute Ferris with a bosom helmet, by the way. Yeah. Make the background dark. I'm trying, dude. But it's probably. Okay, these are just the spans. Wait, let me actually see the inspector. Yeah, I need to restart the app because change the index probably, but it's not really taking effect. Did I remove it? Oh yeah, okay, makes sense. No background color, maybe not the color. Background color. Okay, there we go. So background color. I'm not a web developer, so I'm just learning stuff. So yeah, this is the like little thing that we made, he made, and like this is just for seeing if like rendering like 60 FPS in the terminal using WebAssembly would actually work, and it works quite smoothly, I think. It's good. Like this is a good like proof of concept to understand if this 2D rendering would be actually possible. So this is cool. I'm gonna just build on top of this, and yeah, we're gonna just go from there. You see the spans and style. Click to remove. Actually, grid. Yeah, look at the spans here. Like they are just changing rapidly. I mean, Martin said there are like some cases where it's like not super like performant, but for now I think this is good enough for us to work with. This is really good. So yeah, let's let me just try to tear this code apart a bit and understand it, because today I took a look at it, but I still don't know how this actually works. So I'm just gonna do that now. Martin, I hope you don't mind me just tearing your code apart a little bit and try to make it in a like a more like understandable shape, but this will just gonna be the workflow today. It crashed Chrome a couple of times when I was inspecting it with DevTools. Okay, it's definitely like you should definitely just check like different browsers and stuff like that, but that's just the next level. That's why you should use Firefox. You know what, I was using Firefox Developer Edition once, and it was just same Firefox but like Flex edition, So request animation frame, I think this is the most important part, and this is like window, so window function. Guess the window. Is there like a documentation for WebSys? I think I found the documentation yesterday. WebSys. Okay, actually this is not really great. Request animation frame. No, this is not the. What was the website that I was looking into yesterday? Was it this one? Maybe it was WASM something. Anyways, so request animation frame window returns the current window. You call unwrap on it because this function might. Okay, let's see why it is panicking. Let's see. Okay, so window. This probably has a document. Yeah, okay, so this is like the browser window. Okay. Request animation frame. What is that? Let's see. Dude, I do front end by day. Don't get me started on whole browser wars idea. It's a mess. Okay, I'm just gonna get you started. What do you think about Arc browser? Come on. Let's trigger you. I was about to comment with my real account. That, yeah, be careful, man. You don't want to expose yourself. You're like a high level, high class individual, you know? You freaking NixOS agent, or sorry, what was you again? I don't remember what I was calling you. Not NixOS, something else. Anyways, you freaking agent sneaking on my live stream. Because animation frame method, so it tells the process you wish to perform an animation. Call a user supplied callback function before the next repaint. The most common refresh rate is 60 Hz. Okay, this is returning. So this takes a closure, right? This is, I don't know why this is like a closure from wasn't Banjan. Okay, it's a bit of an implementation detail there. Is there like a WebSys example of this? I'm just curious. OpenSUSE it was. Okay, Arch is best, by the way. Absolutely, man. Yeah, this is the documentation that I was actually looking for. Let's use this one. Or what do you think about the WeChat or AUR drama? I hate drama. It's so unnecessary. People getting mad over a package. Dude, I stopped following those like AUR dramas, if I'm being honest. Because I mean, I get emails and I'm like, okay, sure. There's like some people getting toxic in the AUR for some fucking reason. I'm just gonna ignore it. But what happened? Just give me a TLDR anyways. It's an example of a request animation frame. It renders a count of how many times the request animation frame callback has been invoked. Okay. WebSys. Yeah, another thing about this WebSys crate is that you need to enable a bunch of features. But that's fine for now. So request animation frame. So this is the exact same function. You get the document. Let me actually see the example now. Okay. But this is kind of like, this is weird, dude. This code is like, what is G? F. Okay. Closure new. I guess we just call this thing when we want to render, right? Is that how it works, Martin? Let me see how you use it here. G borrow. Yeah, this is stupid, but it works, yeah. I mean, this is kind of weird because like, you know, you have this, dude, what is this? Like this F thing is just a ref cell of nothing. Wait, what? And then you have a G thing, and G is just equal to some closure which runs this code, and then you request another. Wait, what? This is super cryptic to me right now. I'm gonna check your comment, Adam, 1 second. Okay, let me actually read this thing now. Okay, I was disconnected for a second, but I'm back now. Let's see. People are saying that one random guy merged two WeChat packages into one and his deletion request was form packages were approved, and people are just mad because it's a random guy. Okay, someone was saying that there's trying to inject malware or some shit. Dude. So fucking brainless drama. Sorry about that code. I put it together from docs and Copilot. At the time I thought it was some Rust specific thing, but it makes no sense to me. Welcome back, thank you. But I mean, it's the same in this example too. Like, Okay, let's just read this for a second. By the way, it's fine. Thank you for the POC anyways. It works. That's the only thing that matters as of now. So, yeah. You store something in an RC. After the RC is made, we actually create a closure, and closure will reference one of the RC instances. The other RC reference is used to store the closure. Request the first frame and then stroked by this function. That's cryptic. That's why I don't use Copilot. What, dude? Am I just... We just jumped right into the... like the far edge of web syscrate. So that's why probably I don't understand this right now. So, okay, let me take a step back. First of all, what is RC? We're gonna start from there, guys. I mean, that's the only way to understand this properly. So RC is like a single thread reference counting pointer. So this is like sync version of arc. So it's like, you know, you want to have a reference to something, but you want to also use it in a context where you just I guess move it around with some control around the type. So that's why you have the get mutable and like what was the other one? Borrow mutable functions. So it's like a more controlled type. It's like a sync and like, what was it again? Single threaded type. You know, I don't know why I'm saying sync. It should just say single threaded here. But anyway, so we have F, and then we have G, and we have whatever this number is, and we're just assigning G. So let me read this again. Yeah, so you have the F here, and then you use this RC value here again. So this is like the only reason why G exists is because you want to assign, like, you don't want to lose the reference to this RC probably. So it's like you have F, and then you do something with it, but at the same time you don't want to like lose it, so you kind of like store it in G, and then you call the animation frame on G for some reason. I don't know why. Can anyone make sense of this for me, please? Because I don't like this part. Okay, I mean, but why is that? Maybe we should start with like a simpler example here. Let's actually do that, because I want to like understand this code very well. Otherwise I won't be able to do what I want to do. Let me just remove these stuff. Closure forget. Dude, this is so weird. So let me just delete these spans first of all. Let me just delete them. I'm trying to like isolate the problem, or not, like I'm trying to like isolate the part that we are trying to understand here. But these are just gone now. We only have, why do we have this? Span 3. Oh, is that the last one? Wait. Okay, remove that too. Usually use RAF recursively, recursive animation frame recursively. In callback you'll define animation and with yet another twist animation frame call itself. It should be clear from MDN. Okay, let me actually check that. Your callback function must call request animation frame again if you want to animate another frame, because animation frame is one shot. That's okay, that's interesting. So you call it and then you call it again. I guess if that's how it works, then there's nothing that we can do about it. But I want to like isolate this a bit and I like remove all the spans. Let's see how this looks like now. Looks like nothing now because we don't have span tree. Let's bring that back actually. Click to remove. I only want to see the colors. How do you create the colored stuff? Span tree. Oh, we don't have like any elements. What's Y and what's X? Oh, that's the grid. Okay, I see. Create the grid. Wait, why does this thing not work right now? Because I mean I removed the spans now, so wait, what is going on? What did I remove? We should have only the body, append, child, anchor. What is anchor? This is not okay. I'm just gonna delete these because I don't want to deal with this thing now. On click event, and let me not delete them actually. These are fine. This is also fine. We don't want the span 2, span 3. Create a div. Well, what am I doing wrong? Span 3 clone. Maybe I need to just append the div. When are we playing Tux card on stream? Is that like a game easy to install and easy to play on Linux? Yeah, okay. Div. Alright, now it will probably work. Okay, now it's good. So okay. Okay, I got it. Cool. I got it. Okay, now just look up Tux card, you'll love it. Is it on Steam? Dude, just let me know, like I don't know. Yeah, can we play on Linux? Platforms, Nintendo Switch, Linux. Okay, it runs on Linux. I mean, if it was not running on Linux, I would be sad. But we can probably play it. But first I need to play Rat Shaker because I want to make Transistor happy. So it's in my pipeline. It's in my list of games to play. Maybe just remind me in Discord. Maybe let's play it someday. Yeah, let's do it, guys. I need to play Portal 2 too. So where's the actual render loop in this code? Is it the animation frame thing? Or like how does this work? Because like I'm guessing this main function runs once Or how did, wait, okay, so request animation frame. So this is the loop. This is the actual loop, right? Let me try to console log this. Is this like, okay, how can I use console log in here? WebSys. I remember there was like a console log in WebSys. Console. Come on, it's so slow. Console. Okay, is this like another feature flag? Log. No, log. Actually, no. I don't know. Maybe I just need to do this. What? Is it not another feature flag? Console. Create elements, and then in because animation you can go change the elements and their props. Okay, so okay, that's interesting. One second, let me try to console log this first. Super Tux card is an extra repo byte. Well, that's convenient. I can just download it and we can play it, right? Is that it? If that's the case, that's like super nice. Let's see. So now we are logging stuff. Wait, what? What is the difference between log 1? Log 0? It's not logging continuously. I'm confused now. Oh, it is. I'm just blind. Okay, it's actually logging continuously. Okay, cool. So, the thing is, in Ratatouille, we create the whole UI on each frame. So, compared to this thing, which is like creating the grid and then updating the colors, I want to change this a bit, and I want to create the grid in the loop. This would probably work, right? I mean, because that's what I need to do. Can we do that? Martin, do you know? Have you tried? But in order to do that, we gotta just fight Rust, probably. Because document, create span. I'm gonna clone a bunch of things. This is gonna be interesting. It's awesome, man. I was sleeping on this for long. Missing Vim bindings though. Are you talking about the game? Can you clone the document? Okay, at least that's clonable. Instead of setting the attribute, I'm basically going to create a span. Span the child. Oh, this grid push thing will not work. Oh man. Going to kill performance. If you want to render empty cell, I would use non-breaking space character. I see what you mean. Well, the thing is, I'm just thinking. Yeah, you mean just render like empty cells and then change the color, right? Instead of creating the like whole thing in the request animation frame. Adding removing elements to DOM is expensive. Okay, see what you mean. The thing is, like, how do we change, like, let's say I have this let me find something. Concept examples. Immediate mode rendering. So let's say we have this loop, right? So terminal draw. Let's say yeah, this is our like request animation frame. So based on some condition, we need to render a widget or another widget. And wait, this actually does not matter. Does that matter? Like we have, so let's say we like created the like the, okay, I'm trying to make sense of this. Actually, we just need to hook it up to the actual rendering to understand it probably. For now, I'm just gonna delete these. Document. Okay, so you can just render a 2D buffer as characters to DOM grid. Going to sleep now. Good night, Grannies. Good night, Wisimon. Take care. Yes, we can render a 2D buffer as characters to DOM. But like, let's say like this is like, yeah, I'm trying to like make sense of this. It's kind of hard. I was thinking like calling this thing, like calling this thing over here, you know, just like this. But this means that it needs to redraw like everything. But here, you draw something and then you change stuff, you know. So it's like a two-step process. Do you see what I mean? Like I was thinking this should be just a loop, like a normal loop, and then, well, actually we don't need a loop. Do we need a loop? Oh, wait, we don't need this. Do we need this? Okay, now I'm like starting to understand it. So this main function think about creating a grid as a location, then because animation for is changing buffer. So okay, let me just take a step back here. So let's have this function here, right? Main, and I'm just gonna call this thing render, right? Render. But this is a single step of rendering, I hope, because I'm thinking like this: loop, render, loop. Does this work? Because I don't want to create a loop here. I actually want to keep when you call terminal draw like this, I want to call request animation frame, and based on the intervals that you call this render function, it's gonna just request animation frames, and it's gonna be like that basically. But let me just try, dude. What happened? Okay. Oh, what am I doing? Trunk serve. Does this actually do anything? It will just add elements forever on top of previous elements. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. But we probably need to clear all everything, clear everything and then add. But it's not really doing anything right now. Let me try to call it 3 times maybe. At least cargo run to trunk serve. Good idea. Unreachable executed. What? Is this normal? I mean, at this point I just need to alias trunk because I'm using it. But wait, it doesn't make sense to me right now. Let me just bring this back. Are we still in the game? Okay, it's still working. You know, what I want is I want to run this closure once. But clearing will kill performance. Okay. Okay, how about I'm fighting with some awful package builds. I hope they are Rust. So how about we store the document as a state, and for each render step we check if something is changed, and if something is changed we call request animation frame, and this way we don't clear the whole document. Maybe. But I want to make this thing work first to prove my theory, because it's not doing anything right now. So render. VDOM. I don't know what VDOM is. It's not even related to what I was searching. What will happen if I do this? Nothing. Yeah, I need to figure out why the fuck people are still using SourceForge for hosting code. Dude, they should just use SourceHot at this point. is something unwrapping? Because I don't get it. Like, trunk serve. It's super hard to debug everything. Trunk debug log. What is this? Trunk IO? This is not related to what I was searching, right? What is this? No. Out hookup Ratatouille without backhand and tap into rendering buffer. Create grid matching Ratatouille's expected side and then request animation frame when Ratatouille renders a new frame. Maybe like that. Yeah, that makes sense. Maybe we should just do that instead of just playing around with this. My neck is just killing me. Alright, actually let's... Wait, you said Ratatouille without backhand. Okay, I'll actually do that now. Dude, Polish fork of Ratatouille, Chomik Kui, Bobertui. What is Chomi? Chomikui. What is Chomik? Is that rat? It's probably not pronounced as Chomik, but you know, did my best there. Okay, let's actually add the Ratatouille now. I'm not gonna... Okay, now let me just leave this in a working state. It's not working. I think everything will be just clear when I add the Ratatouille to this. Okay, now I'm gonna replace this with an actual tui, something like that. And I'm gonna take some inspiration from WebAssembly. Inspiration as in, I'm gonna just steal their code. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. Chomik is hamster. We'll have to translate those crazy terminals colors to CSS though. That's fine, that's fun. It's pronounced Chomik, not Chizomic. Dude, I cannot, like, it's like YouTube chat. Don't expect me to pronounce everything correctly. But maybe we gotta go back to... I don't like this music. We need to go back to the... What was the thing? The app. What was the name of the language learning app? I completely forgot. So Wasm backend. Duolingo, yeah. So I'm gonna create this Wasm backend. I'm gonna just actually copy the contents a bit. So these lingos. Okay, get hydrated. I just saw the hydrate verb there, so I gotta get hydrated. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that. Okay, we have the buffer. And what did I do? In pre-render. Can you just yoink this? But maybe like this is like directly, like this is rendering. Okay, actually I'm gonna copy this over. But maybe first, yeah, I'm just gonna copy this. Do I have the ratatouille now? Yep. Okay, cool. Cell. Is this IO result? What result is this? Okay, it's an IO result. Okay. I am getting a bunch of Rust Analyzer errors. It's because of the NeoVim version. Can you believe that? I think it was because of NeoVim, like, or maybe my config version, I don't know. So they added a feature where you can, like, this Rust Analyzer sends some message to some diagnostic message, and NeoVim is not able to catch it. That's why you get like bunch of like errors spammed. It's not good, man. I should probably just, why am I doing this by hand? I don't have fingers. Anyways, now we are in good position. Get size buffer, what is that? Get size buffer. This is super helpful, man. Thank you, WebAssembly, for all the code. Get screen size. Get window size, what? Oh, it's a bunch of functions. Is mobile. Okay, what is this now? I need to probably enable some other feature of WebSys. Which one do I need to enable? Window screen. I need to enable screen now. Window screen. Those damn rustlang lies, man. It's a skill issue. Everything works for me. Yeah, it's probably a skill issue. You're right. Get size buffer. Where is it? Pre-render. Okay, we're gonna just yoink the pre-render function now. Where's the pre-render? And that's where the actual stuff happens. It's gonna freaking take that. Whoop, and it's gone. It's just been copied over to here. And where's the flesh? Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Oh, it's actually a function of backhand. Let's do that. All right. It was nice chatting with you, but I gotta go now. Take care, Adam. Musje Chomikovic or something. Okay, goodbye. Let's play the game whenever I install it, or yeah, let's coordinate that in Discord. Let's play it sometime. Line buffer, I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need any of that. I don't need that. Oh wait. What is line buffer again? Term span. Okay, let me see what term span is. It's like color modifier and string. Let's actually create our own type, or maybe just yeah, okay. I'm just gonna create a type alias actually. I'm gonna create a type alias. No chrome. No comb. What? Okay. Type term span. This is so ugly, but just bear with me, okay? The result, the end result will be amazing. Just bear with me. We're just hacking, dude. Don't judge. We're just hacking on this. There's no dehydration stuff. There's only hydration. We are only getting hydrated now. Alright. Line buffer. So pre-hydrated. Let Orhun cook. Yes. Absolutely. Or at least a rat under the hat. What do you mean, dude? I'm gonna just take your moderator role now. What do you mean? You're just spreading lies. I'm gonna put you in timeout. Don't say stuff like that. Don't expose my secret. Come on. Pre-hydrated. What is this now? Oh, it's like spans. Okay. Alright, we can also yoink that. Let's yoink that. Spans. Wait, where is the span now? Wait, what? What did I do? I'm confused. I gotta just push another span. Because whatever reasons. Okay, let's just do that. And okay, now we have a backend. I mean, it's 2025. The rat probably has a remote desktop. Hopefully not running any desk or some shit like that. Actually, it's running TeamViewer on Windows 7. You know what I'm saying? It's like the old school shit, man. You know how I use Windows 7 on my other PC? I streamed on that shit. You saw that Windows 7 shit. So I'm actually, one second. I'm actually using Windows 7. I like Windows 7. Oh no, JPEG. Dude, Windows 7 is great. What are you talking about? It's the most stable operating system next to Temple OS. Don't click that. I am just talking to AI now because AI is doing my clips these days. Okay, we have the backend. Let me try to use the backend now. I'm gonna keep it very simple. Okay, how do we construct the backend? Backend. Self new. What is new function? Let's create the new function. Okay. It's actually pretty easy. Look. Or don't look. I need to add Ratatouille to this as well because yeah, we're gonna use the widgets and everything. So let's add that. Can I use Ratatouille core and Ratatouille at the same time? Probably. That was a stupid question. Never mind, I'm back. Guess was back. Back again. The man's back. He's so back. Dude, what happened? Why are you back? We were just talking behind you. We're just talking about how bad NVRS is. What happened? Why are you back? Just kidding. Just finish that tweet and we are set. Dude, what? Oh, what am I doing? My brain was just fried for a second. Terminal new. Okay, there you have it. We created our terminal, guys. Oop, what am I doing? Can we just have anyhow here maybe? Or okay, let's use IO results, whatever. It's not important right now. So we have the terminal draw. Oh my god, no. Render widget block bordered is the typical test code for me, you know, the block and everything. Okay, we got that. We got the mutable terminal. Adam's back and we're talking behind his back. Bars. Transistor got the bars. Dude, you wanna be a ghostwriter in my new album? That's not a joke. You're a ghostwriter. Okay, I have the terminal backend and everything. Let me run it and see what happens. It's gonna fail. Okay, how are we gonna try this out now? Let me do a quick test. I'm gonna draw it in the render function. I'm just gonna unwrap it, dude. This is exciting because everything is coming together now. Dude, just whatever, unwrap it. I don't care about the return shit right now. I just wanna see this work, okay? I can't steal the ghostwriter job from the rat. You got me there. You got me there. You're smart. It'd be a dick move. We gotta do the Chomikuji PG clone in Web2, or it's gonna be... Dude, stop spamming random words in the chat. Like, these are literally random. Like, what is Zaz... What? Those are literally random. Okay, let's run it. So excited. Nothing's gonna happen, but still. Okay, I can close this, close this, close. Oh, okay, maybe I should have kept that, but anyways. Okay, it's still running. Now, drum roll please. Okay, it's still running. I didn't change the text yet, but 1 second. Let me, okay, the actual code. We're gonna do something like, it's easy to pronounce, come on. No, it's not. Okay, wait a second. Can I just access the document wherever? Do I need to be in the render function? Probably not. I can just call window and document and it will probably work. Wait a second, I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. So now we are actually where's the pans? I'm just thinking, and now I realized we don't need to push anything to spans. We can just do the whole rendering stuff here. But how Web2 is doing it? Just pushes everything to like an inner type, and oh, it's running create span on hydrate function. Okay, this is what we're missing, guys. This is what we're missing. Okay, now I got it. We just gotta like go through what is line? So we just gotta go through each span and then create a create an actual span. That's it. That's it, right? That should be it. Let's see. So in here, in theory, if you do something like, you're just gonna make this thing public now. This is not a good way of doing things, but we're just gonna do it anyways. From a backhand. I hope this is not moving the type. It's probably moving it. God damn it. Backhand spans. Enter. Can I do this? Oh my god. This is annoying. So now I have no choice but do everything in the render function, because everything is moved into render. Like, sorry, not the render function, but the draw function, you know? So I gotta do everything in the draw function. So instead of creating like an intermediate type, I'm just gonna create the spans in there. And then what do we do? Let's see, create element. Yeah, why not just do everything in there, dude? Let's just take everything. This is a mess, but we will get there. So content, so buffer, what is this, dude? Line. First of all, what is this thing doing? So never mind, I'm gonna do it in here. Instead of pushing to some type, I'm actually going to just push to grid. Where's the grid? Well, and then we need to add the grid to body, right? Okay. This is so messy, but we will get there, like I said. And it will just kill the performance. But we will make it happen. Give me a second, I'm gonna figure this out. So, and at the end of this for loop, it's gonna push to the body, right? And where's the grid? Where's the grid once again? Grid, vec element. Okay, so here, basically push to the grid, and then we append a child, or maybe, yeah, let's do that too. I'm so locked in right now. Okay. Is that it? I'm gonna remove this. Also remove that. Okay, maybe not remove that, but remove this. Okay, let's run it now. I don't know what happens, what will happen, but you're gonna see. Okay, A. That was a fail. Remove this. Oh. Still A's? What is going on? Oh, am I setting styler? What the hell is render unwrap supposed to mean, huh? Dude, don't judge, Mike. This code is just hacking, okay? I'm locked in. I'm trying to hack. Am I pushing A's? Yeah, I'm just pushing A's. That's why. Nobody told me that I'm pushing A's. Line buffer. I need to take the third one because it's the string. Nobody can understand this code except me and God himself. Okay? So this is like holy code, actually. This is so holy. Okay, we pushed that there. What? Line buffer 3, what? Oh, it's a vector. It's a vector. What? Oh, I need to just do the text. Like, just text, whatever. Okay, let's see now. Text. BR is being added after each character. What? It's actually just each line. It's supposed to be each line. I hope. Fuck yeah, guys. We made it happen. We have a block now. This, I don't know why this is like this, but progress. We got it. We are rendering tweets now. Fuck yeah. Okay, we got the block. Let me change the color actually. What is this HSL thing? I'm just gonna do it RGB. Just do it RGB, man. Just make it white, whatever. Let's see if this is gonna work. We are rendering tweets in web now. Welcome to the new era of tweets, guys. Well, this is like not super well, but it works. It works. I still don't know why this is happening. Okay, that was a really bad joke, Adam. Okay, let's see why this is happening. Is this because... Yeah, I don't get it. Anyways, let's try something fancy. Well, this works, but the code is like... This code is a mess, but... I mean, that's fine. That's fine, guys. Come on. We're not actually requesting any animation frame as of now. We don't need to. This will probably just work without this. Let me try. Maybe not. We'll see in a second. Oh, it works. It's just the static content, so yeah. No animations as of now, but... Okay, I'll do something fancy for the sake of just having a bit of fun. How about I do like a paragraph new AO. I'll actually put one of the Polish words in there. 1 second, because just for the fun. What was the longest one you guys sent? Yeah, this one. I'm gonna put this thing. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna put it right in the middle. Please, someone make Adam an official maintainer just to stop the AUR jokes. Dude, I hope this is not an offensive word, Adam. If you're just making me put the N word in Polish in here or something like that, it would be so bad. But that's your fault, okay? I don't know Polish at all, so I just want to make that thing clear. So bordered. Let's try now. Hey bro, I was just passing by you. Hey man, what's poppin'? Long time no see. When are you coming to Ankara? We should hang out. We should hang out for sure. You gotta ping me. You gotta ping me when you're here. I'm talking to Furkan, by the way. This didn't really work, but I mean, okay. Make it centered. Maybe I should make it centered. Alignment. Center. It's not offensive. Polish word, aka P word. It's a P word. Expect my ping, bro. Okay. Bet I am around. Be quick though. I will start traveling in 2 months, so you won't be. I will just go back to my cave, you know. You won't be hearing back from me after that point. I'll be rich at that point, so you know how it goes. It's missing empty characters in between. Yeah, I don't know why that happens. Do you have an idea why? Is it like removing them, or it's not removing them, right? Oh, where are you going? I'm going to Hong Kong, man. Probably, most likely. Why is this happening? Now we don't even have any time to actually cherish and celebrate because we are fixing bugs immediately. We can always, we are always on the grind. Line push. Oh, is this why? Oh, this is because I'm not doing anything in here. There's something with repeat. I think it's here. I'm not like doing proper stuff. But let me check in a second. Go to Hong Kong. Maybe you'll be able to resolve the WeChat chat while you're there. WeChat is Chinese, dude. Okay. So I'm only creating the text, like I'm only creating a span for the final text here. Wait, repeat. You mean this? I don't understand this code, man. I don't understand this code. Wait. Am I calling render? Draw. Actually, it should be calling this function. I'm directly calling render. Sorry, draw. So it's calling this function, and this function I think calls. Wait, am I calling flush at all? I am confused now. 1 second. Terminal flush. No, this is not related. Terminal flush. Why? Dumb question. Why do you use lots of unwrap? Dude, I'm just lazy. I'm hacking right now. I'm in locked in mode. Look at my hat. Look at my hat. I have a penguin. I am so focused. Why is this line so long? Is Rust FMT asleep? Yeah, probably. No, it's because my font size is too big and I have a bunch of stuff on the sides of the screen probably. Okay, so I don't get it. I don't get it. Well, let me check the WebAssembly. What is that plugin on the right side? This is symbols outline plugin from Astro Ambient. I don't know which plugin is it. Is it? I don't know. Impl backend. Let me see here. Pre-render. So this looks exactly the same. What am I missing? Wait, I'll try to debug this in the old school way. What happens if I just remove this code? This way of debugging always works. Just remove that, nothing happens. Okay, that's not the problem then. Just move on. You know? Yo, what's up, Bartek? We are rendering tweets on web now. Are you excited? We are writing Rust with some WebAssembly sprinkled. Text is empty. I am confused. What happens if I grid push? You know what? You know what? We should actually like let's see. Create span. We should see the logs for WebAssembly, because I think that one was logging everything. Let's see if this is also. Let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna check the logs for what is this, dude? This is perfect. Perfect rectangle. I know why it's taking forever to load actually. What? Is it like broken? I cannot see the inspect stuff, guys. What happened? It's not loading. Something's going wrong. Something is going really wrong. Maybe I need to understand this code first. This thing, let me just remove it. What happens? Probably it will just fail. Because we're not rendering anything, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is, if I'm guessing correctly, this just pushes everything to self buffer. And that's it. So it updates the buffer, and here let's go step by step. Takes the window, checks the first cell for some reason. No, it takes the first cell. Okay, takes the it goes through each line in the buffer, creates a text, creates a line buffer. We don't need that, we don't use it now. Checks the line, like the character. If it's not empty, it does nothing. What? Okay, each line just pushes the symbols. This is like kind of cache, like, okay, let me just remove that part. This is for like not rendering the cells that hasn't changed, you know. I mean, why DevTools not opening? I have no idea, man. Try a different side. If it's working there, you might made some infinite loop. Probably I made that, but 1 second. So just goes through each cell and creates a span for that. But this is weird. You know what? I'm gonna just console log this. Oh, this is not correct. Web says console log text. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's really going on here. Dude, it's correct. Like, we have the spaces in here. So what's wrong? Is there any chance that this is actually removing removing the spaces or something? I'm gonna check the dev tools for this website, which is built with WebAssembly Inspector. Okay, so this line. Okay, which line is actually empty? I need to find an empty line. So this is empty, right? It's weird as hell. Yeah, man, I don't get it. So let me find this line. So this line consists. Oh, this is pray style mark. Okay, maybe that is why. Maybe we need to just add everything to pray text or whatever. This spans are maybe just removing the like, you know, spaces. What happens if I remove the edit? Edit HTML. What happens if I just remove this, you know? Okay, just gonna remove that. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, we're just gonna wrap everything in that pre whatever. What is this, by the way? Pre tag. What is this? Pre-formatted text. Yeah, I mean, makes sense. So now we just need to do that, basically. Pre-margin. Can I do this? Okay, how do I do that now? That's the question. Bartek, I am so locked in right now. I can check this, check your links at the end of the stream. But maybe send it to Discord. There's some people active on Discord. Okay, I need to create. Dude, how do I do that now? Create span. Don't wait. Create span. How do you do that? Create element. Okay, now that makes sense. Let's do that here. So first we need to. That's like a bit annoying, but maybe I can just make Copilot handle all of that. Let me try to do wrap the span in. Come on. Where's the... Okay, let's pre... Come on. Do something. Okay. We just remove the pre from this pray or whatever. Okay, this should work. Just wrap the line and pray, not every single span. Wait, what? I thought we need to do it for every single span. Oh no, right. Where's the line? Yeah, I'm confused now. I'm gonna take this with me. All those spans in the line. Okay, gotcha. So now, let me go back there, create span. This code is just very unreadable state at this point. How do I, where is the function for it? Okay. Pen child, grid, push element. I'm still a bit lost. I need to see this again. Dude, I found a bug, but I cannot fix it. Let me take a look at this one. Do I need to just do it here? But I mean, it's the same thing. No? Martin. If we do it here, like create span. We're creating a span here. It's like a single line, right? Single line. Yeah. But let me just try it. We can always optimize this, you know. I mean, we're gonna just optimize this anyway. Like, we're gonna fucking make this better. Okay, what happened? What happened? Oh, I'm adding. Okay, I need to just remove the line break. Nice. Nice. But I mean, still. No problem, Martin. But still, this is like not the correct size. You see, like this is why this is like small. Something is going wrong. This X and Y does not really matter at this point. This thing also does not really matter. I don't know why this is like this. Like I'm right now not zoomed in at all, and it looks like this. Guys, let's keep it international here, okay? Bartek is doing his moderation duties. I think, Daniel, you're not Polish, are you? Why are you texting in Polish? Yeah, I agree. Poor Orhun can't read. Guys, if I start to speak Turkish, you're gonna like lose your mind, okay? Any Turkish people watching right now? Probably not. Emirhan is just sleeping, dog. Come on, Turkish people. Just drop the wolf emoji in the chat if you're watching. I think you just set up thermal size based on the window. Okay, I'll try it. Let me see what's going on there. Okay, man. Make sure. Hey, man. Nice to see you here. I have one Turkish viewer right now, so shut your ass up, alright? We're just outnumbered, but we are not out Turkish. Whatever. I had sujuk today. Nice, man. Did you like it? That shit is amazing. It has so much fat in it, though. It's not good for the diet. Let me see the window size function. There was a window size, get size buffer, get screen size, get window size. So get window size. Let me just actually remove these. Let's see what happens. Okay, something happened. These are just arbitrary numbers. I don't know why, but like this is not precise, you know? Weird. I'll steal that from the original code based on you. I mean, I stole that. This is like the WebAssembly code. I mean, okay, maybe it's like unwrapping. Maybe that's why. 120. Is it like unwrapping? No. Weird. That's weird. Let me actually print that. Not print out, but like console log it. Magical numbers. Oh man. Web stuff is weird, dude. Get window size. Let's see the window size. 192 and 48. Is that correct? Like, how can I test this? I mean, what do I do? And it's weird because, oh, I know what's going on. There's like a resize thing. Yeah. Resize buffer, that's why. So it's actually resizing the buffer. But I mean, why? let's resize it, whatever. Look up character count online. Arabic? What do you mean? I don't speak Arabic. Arabish. What is the language? Arab. We just deleted the message. So okay, now we have the resize buffer, but where do I call that? Because we don't have a render loop or anything. Can I just bring back this request animation frame? Let me just bring it back. Dude, what? Oh, this is so annoying. Look at this. I'm trying to like uncomment this, but my Vim shit is not allowing me. It's rubbish after that. Sorry. Okay. So terminal draw. It will complain so much about terminal is not move. Oh, it didn't. That's good. We're just doing animation now then. Let's see what will happen. Dude, oh my god. Oh my god. Browsers are powerful, guys. To clear the DOM. Yeah, you're right. Okay, I take that back. I won't do that. But, I mean, why it's not... Well, at least we now know that calling the... Wait, I didn't call the resize. Let me just call resize. How can I call it? I don't have access to backend now. Oh, I can just call it in here in the render function or draw function, whatever. Let's see. Well, clearing the DOM is like a bad thing. Obviously, it's just gonna kill the performance. Okay, the resize buffer does not work. We now at least know that. Dude, ask Martin. Martin told me that it's gonna kill the performance. I trust him 100%. Like 200%. I would drink Turkish coffee, except why so much sugar, dear TR boss. So no sugar is the way to go with everything in Turkey. With everything, I'm telling you. If you have sugar in some drink, Turkey, you're just getting scammed, dude. Because sugar is just gonna change the taste a lot. Like you won't feel your taste buds after that. So what's the point of drinking something? Anyways, Arabica is like a good coffee. That's the name of the coffee shop we have here, actually. That's the name of the place that I go frequently. I have friends there. I know all the baristas, not all of them, because they just quit every once in a while. I can understand them. Life stuff. Gotta do what you gotta do, man. It's hustle out there. Alright, so that's weird as hell. Once again, we have this weird ass window size. This was not like this before, by the way. When I added the pre stuff, this thing changed. So maybe that's why, dude. Maybe I'm missing something else here. Maybe it's something like wait. HTML. Let me compare this to the Hello World example here. I always drink sugar-free. How did you get the coffee? Yeah, font size. Okay, let me set the font size here. Because I mean, this thing is like highly related to the font size and everything. Let's see now. Yeah, this looks better. This looks better, dude. I mean, it was just all about the font size then. Yep. Awesome. We have I mean, it's the same. It's the same. No, it's not the same. Okay. I mean, almost. We got the same thing as WebAssembly. But this could be better. But I don't care because this is good. This is good progress, Martin. Can I get just W's in the chat for Martin, please? W's in the chat for our efforts on rendering to his own web. Come on, guys. Drop that W. No one is just... Yeah, thank you. Transitory. WN. Mr. Dick. My man. Where have you been? Why are you so silent? Why are you so silent? You're still in, right? So next step. Ferris. Thank you, Ferris. I don't know who you are. You are my man, Ferris. Okay. So next step is to integrate the request animation frame into the draw function for the changed spans, you know? When something changed, we just call request animation frame and update that cell. Does that make sense, Martin? For the next step. I think that should be the way to go. Otherwise, we won't be able to, you know, render. Yeah, that number is completely arbitrary. But I'm curious about one thing. What happens if I render this in a loop? Because this is what we do normally. And can I use like Sleep. How do I sleep in WebAssembly? Sleep. Can I just call like std thread sleep? Does that work? It works, right? It's an endless loop though. I mean, it's fine. Let me just do it 100. Oh shit. Oh shit, this is bad. Let me just do it like 1 second. Okay. Guys, what are you spamming in the chat? What are those? CCA, what the fuck? Nope, but I like to have a feature like the NJS. Dude, how do I sleep? How does this work then? No sleep in JS? What do you mean? Sleep? Bruh, I'm so disappointed. Oh my god. I don't want to create a endless loop. Guys, stop with the Polish stuff, please. Guys, stop. Thank you. So in a like a typical Ratatouille app, we just have the sleep. But you're saying that we don't have, like, there's no sleep in JavaScript. So how do I sleep? You have to await this async function that sets timeout for maximum seconds. That's a pain. Sounds like a huge pain. Okay. Atomic wait. Just do set timeout. But how do I do that in Rust? Wrap it in a promise. I don't know what promise is. I'm writing Rust, dude. I am lost. Okay, maybe instead of that, rewrite it in JS. Stop. That's a funny joke. I hope that's a joke. Guys, now we are gonna... What? Oh my god, what did you do? You just deleted every message of him? No, JS, you chill down, dude. He was just joking. Just 1 minute timeout going. Dude, why are you so cruel? Bartek, come on, don't do that. I mean, Daniel was just joking. Just give him a timeout. Guys, you guys are not great moderators. I'm just gonna tell it to you. What the fuck, dude? Set interval. Okay, I'm not gonna... You gotta be strict here, man. Dude, don't ban people for no reason. Come on. I mean, I have a fucking PHP book in the background. You should just ban me. In that case. By the way, just to be clear, Bartek is joking. I hope you're joking, man. Anyways, let me actually try to use this as a loop. What I'm gonna do is count. I'm just gonna try something here. I'm going to print out or like display the frame counter to see how this looks. 0. Oh, right. I need to. Okay. Now I see the next step. Next step, we're just gonna use the request animation frame. Okay. But we can just keep it this way, actually. That's so racist. I agree with myself. Dude, you didn't say anything. Mr. Dick, you are a very... You're based, man. Thanks for the info. Can't figure out sleep later. Now just grind that loop out. Yeah, I'm just gonna... You know what? I am gonna clean this code a bit and send you a PR. How about that? And then we iterate once again if you want. Do you like that? Because I'm slowly like getting too tired. You can also try it out and see like if this thing is good or not, you know. Yeah, I'm going to crash soon as well. Okay, I'm gonna send you a PR. If you can try this out, that would be great, man. Because you know you simply know a lot more than me when it comes to web stuff. I would really appreciate your help here. But I mean, for now, dude. I mean, we fucking made it, dude. Look at this. We have a block. We have a block. This is exciting, isn't it? All you gotta do is just add the animation frame stuff to the draw function. And then it will actually... Wait. Let me think about this again. If we add that to the draw function, it will... That's not gonna work because normally we call draw in a loop, but request animation frame will be a loop itself. So maybe we can do something like implement something on terminal, and terminal draw on web or something, and frame, and then the same things here, and then yeah, you know, because normally, you know, instead of creating a loop, this is like the typical approach in most of the apps. You create a loop and then you draw in that loop. But we don't want the user to create a loop when they, because we don't have a loop like in like JS. We have the animation frame stuff, right? So we kind of abstract that away with this function. So this will create a loop for the user, and in here they can just do whatever they usually do in a loop, right? Does that make sense? I guess, yeah. I mean, that would be the only difference that you need to, only different thing that you need to do when you want to migrate your Ratatouille app to like a web app, like a, you know, if you want to render the same thing on web, you're just gonna change terminal draw to terminal draw on web or something like that, and this will just Yeah, that will be it probably. So yeah, that some brain dump right there for you. For me, this is like a sweet spot. I want to make TUI game in browser, Rust for TUI and 3JS for the rest of the stuff. Yeah, that sounds good. We can probably make that happen. But we need to like figure out a bunch of things first. So, but we made good progress. Can you access recipe buffer from outside? You can. You have access to that in backend right here. So you have the buffer already. So yeah, you can. Okay, now I'm gonna send you a PR. Git ignore. Git ignore. Let's ignore dist. And also package. By the way, you need to use a git sub module because I'm using the latest version of Ratatouille from the main branch, just saying. So installation calendar repository, initialize sub modules. This should be enough. It's a weird indentation. Okay. 2, 3. Okay, that's good. Let me see. It's bad code, but I mean it works. We can always refactor it, you know. Okay, get new Ratatouille. Integrate Ratatouille. I'll take a look in the morning. Awesome, man. Let me send you a PR. What was your username again? Got it all. Sorry. No problem, man. Take care. It was nice to have you. Good night. It's gonna push it to my fork. Just the code dump here, man. Do I follow you actually? Let me just follow your stuff, man. C++, Python. Okay, guys. Good fucking progress right there. We basically stole a bunch of stuff from WebAssembly and have our own very simple trunk-based renderer. But I mean, it's good. It's good. I'm gonna save this too. I'm not gonna read it. Okay. Oh my god. So since I can't write again now, sorry by the way, you can literally delegate the sleep to the JS engine and wrap it, or use the wasm side counterpart and wrap it in callbacks in async there. Okay, it's a bit of work, if I understood that correctly. But I mean, if it's gonna turn out like very hacky, I don't wanna do it, because I want people to actually, when they want to switch to like a web renderer for Ratatouille, I want them to make as less changes as possible, if that makes sense. So if you're using STD thread sleep, and if you want to like switch to this web thing, and if you need to like do a bunch of like custom shit, that's just not that I want, you know, because that's what WebAssembly is kind of doing. But yeah, anyways. Finally some good fucking flows. Thanks, man. I'm just grinding. Digital communism. Set timeout with callback and timeout and arguments. Here it is. Can you just can you maybe, are you on Discord? I mean, you have my number. No, you have my matrix, I think. Just send me some send me some links, dude. Let me just read up on that a little bit. So now, like I said, I need to say it again just to get my mind right. So all we need to do is integrate request animation frame function into the draw function. In that draw function, we just check if something is changed. If something is changed, we just call that function. And in that, when we do that, let's say you want to render some effects, right, at 60 FPS. It will automatically trigger the request animation frame. So you would probably get like something close to 60 FPS. Yeah, on Matrix, yeah. Okay, please send me the WebAssembly stuff, like links and shit, please. My brain is not working anymore. Sorry. Call Orhun on MySpace or something. Call him on Garu. What is that? What is Garu? What the fuck is that, dude? Am I living under a rock or something? Oh, this is something Polish, I guess. I like the name though. The name is good. Call me on WeChat, you know. Install that package on AR. Okay, now we can actually use we can actually check out the Tux thing. What was the Super Tux whatever? What was it again? Super Tux cart. Let me install it. My internet is slow as fuck. Can we play it now? If I install it in 7 minutes? Dude, I need to get a better internet. What the fuck is this? I'm streaming. I'm a streamer now. Look at me. I'm like legit, dude. Like, I have this hat now. This hat is everything to me. It's everything to my streaming career. Yup. Stop yapping. Dude, I'm wondering how I'm gonna actually wear this on like summer time, because this shit is keeping my head so warm, and it's fucking drip, dude. Look at this. You're dripping. So beautiful ad, thank you. I don't think that's your internet. I got 600 megabits. It's slow because I'm downloading it too. Dang, I gotta use my mobile internet for something. Dude, give me 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes, we got this. Let me check my phone now, in case I got any DMs from dot girls. Nah. Nothing. Daniel just texted me. I'll be right back. Daniel, I'll check your message later. Let me check my Instagram DMs. Dude, nothing. It's just hard, man. Open source life, getting 0 bitches. Does it SDK even have proper play it up, man? I'm back again. My eyes are... How do I look, guys? How do I look, guys? Take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot because I cannot see myself. Can somebody just please take a screenshot and send it to Discord? I want to check later. Did you take a screenshot? Thank you. Drip, man. I look so fucking stupid with this. Let's see. I hope you guys took a screenshot. I mean, I'm not paying you for nothing, right? I look so fucking. I mean, you already saw it. You got the thumbnail. Hell yeah. Thank you, Daniel, for the screenshot. We got the thumbnail for this video. Guys, what do you think about the shorts? What do you think about the shorts content? Is it good? Like, did you see that? I need some feedback, come on. By the way, they have potential, not for you. Thank you for the honest feedback. Do you want to see how I make shorts? But no Primogen moments yet. I don't know what Primogen moments. I'm up for ideas, dude. If you have any ideas about like what to do. Yeah, music is gone because I'm gonna show you something. So here's how I need some feedback on this, okay? If you can just tell me like cut these parts or like, you know, like do this and do that, I would happily do that. But let me actually go back to dashboard. So this is let me actually make a short just to show it to you how it works. It's like the mind-blowing thing. So let me find something. Yeah, this one maybe.
Well, we could say it's the same one if users would experience it.
I didn't do anything. It's all AI. AI just gave me this clip. I just go to edit clip. Right? Edit clip. You have the subtitles and everything. You have like different layouts and everything too. Just go here.
Right? So it's the import path that is in common between the old version and the new version.
Okay, so it just switches back to me automatically. Like everything is edited by AI. We set the path here, right?
Yes.
And then we
use
it here. Right? And the cool thing is you can remove the music, remove the filler words, remove pauses, like anything with the pause, and then like edit everything, right? And change the style, whatever, change stuff around, like move stuff around. I just gotta tick it. And then like publish the social from here. So it's like super simple. So I can probably improve this workflow a bit by just using prompts here, like find moments about like drama or some shit, and then yeah, boom, there you go. You have shorts content. I'm still installing Tux. AI editor won't ask you for a sick leave or unionize. Win-win. Actually, I was thinking of paying somebody to do the AI work too, because I'm still doing work, like going into the each clip and then editing them, or like finding good clips using the prompts is work still. But I'm curious about why Mr. Dick thinks that it's not for me. Mr. Dick is always like you know, just very on point, very brief guy. Like he's just, don't ignore me. What did you say? Sorry. You need an account on Super Toxic if you want to play with us. It's open source and you only email us. Okay, send me a link. I was saying that Mr. Dick is like, I don't know what is, but he's just a based guy, dude. He's like getting all the bitches probably. AI can't replace actual people in honest work. That's crazy. How do I get an account? In the game. Okay. You are not a porn star. How are you so sure about that? I agree. Oh, I need a password? Okay. Email. I don't want to give my email. God damn it. Don't use my email for anything. Oh, fucking hell. Are you serious? Oh, I was not really sharing my screen. Okay, that's good. That's good. 1 second. I need to confirm my email, obviously. You haven't seen his OnlyFans. Guys, I'm just gonna play one game, okay? I don't have that much of time I have to go to bed. That's like saying only one beer. You just end up drinking a lot, which does not really happen because I don't drink. Okay. I don't want to play the tutorial. The music is super fucking annoying. Split screen multiplayer. Okay, how do I join the lobby? How do I join your lobby? Online. Oh no. Online and local, global, probably find a server. Oh, it's fine. I like small screens. The grindhouse password is grindhouse. Dude. Server selection. Which server are you in, first of all? Which server is it? Create a server, find server, quick play. Are you in Poland? I mean, obviously, but like in game as well. Which server? The server is the grindhouse. Okay. Enter server address. It's not global. It's working, dude. I'm talking about this screen though. Is it like the? Okay, I don't see that here. No, find server. Find server. Why don't I see that? Show private servers. Oh. Okay. Okay, found it. Password grindhouse. Join. My window size is probably too small, but I don't care. This is a chat. This game is great. Are we waiting for a transit strike? Okay. I don't know what to expect. Probably just a racing game, right? Expect a banger of a game. We'll see about that, dude. What kind of emojis we have here? This is how I feel right now. We don't have the salute emoji. Like, what the fuck? It's also how I feel. I like how this is exposing my IP in the background, dude. Don't try to hack me, okay? It's exposing like bunch of shit actually. My password. It's not exposing my password. It's actually exposing my Gmail. Don't send emails, some random shit to my Gmail. That's throwaway. That's throwaway. Transistor, where the hell are you, man? Come on. We gotta go. Yeah, I should have just listen to you, man. Whatever. This music is super annoying. Password is Grindhouse. Come on. I'm so excited. Alright, I'm out. Continuing to 38C3 recording portion. Yeah, sure. Take care, Daniel. It was nice to have you here. See you around. I'll check your messages on Matrix. And have fun. Keep grinding. Do not ever stop. Don't even think about stopping. Reversing stuff for Rust rewrite because people ask me to look at Intel code. Oh wow. Have fun. Why is it taking so long? Where are you connecting from, dude? I am really sick of just hearing the same music. Adam, you have a crown emoji. What are you? Thing. Cannot connect. Probably using a VPN. Dang it. Let's just play. Just start, Adam. Transistor is trying to like connect from like outskirts of Hong Kong probably. That's why he's not able to. Yeah, let me just learn the game first. We can play with the transistor again. Okay, which one? Remaining time, dude. I'm a tux, of course. Why am I selecting the tracks? Okay. Just make it 2. I don't know this game, so I don't know what to expect at all. Tux is pretty mid actually. Shut up, man. Don't you see my hat? Okay, how do I play? What are the key bindings? Okay, just arrow keys. Just arrow, okay. You just go, right? That's it. How do I use the these gift shit? Adam's just a noob. What the fuck was that? Oh, I can just do fancy shit like this. Okay. I don't care about power-ups or anything. I just go. Oh my god. Can you tell that I'm having so much fun right now? It's just this is like the peak entertainment moment for me. I won the race. Guys. Find a hole to hide. What are you fucking talking about, Mr. Dick? Okay. Let me actually make this full screen. I'll be back. Maybe Chanstar can also join. No, not tutorial. Fucking hell. Okay, options. Graphics. Full screen. Full screen. Okay, this also works. Just exit. Where's the... Okay, options. Full screen. Yeah, I accept that. Audio, just get out. Like, I don't care. Just gonna play my own music. Okay, online, global, find server, show private, the grindhouse. Is anyone else joining us? Okay, transistor is here. Grindhouse. Wait, it's still showing you a small screen. That's weird, because for me it's like full screen. 1 second, I gotta fix that. Wait. Oh, graphics. Let me just do this instead. Oh my god, it just crashed my whole fucking setup actually. Oh my god. Yeah, keep this settings. Holy shit. Guys, give me a second. It's crashing my streaming setup. Wait. I'm getting pwned by Tux Cart. Can you believe that? Which screen am I sharing right now actually? Okay, you're back. It's black on screen. Okay, now it should be all good. Can you still hear me? Probably. Let me make it bigger, better, stronger, faster. Okay, I'm okay with this. Online, global, find server, show private, the grindhouse. Now it's not connecting. Okay, we are here. Start. Hacking in progress. Go. Which one should I choose now? I think I'm gonna go with the GIMP. Okay. I'm playing a good old BSD. What are the tricks for this game? What do I do? I mean, just collect some power-ups probably, which I miss. Okay, I got something now. Dude, I'm so good at this game. Look at me. Fucking hell. I fucked up so bad. It's because of the GIMP car. I'm just gonna... What the fuck are you doing, Adam? You guys are just noobs, man. You know that, right? I am just in the bullying mode when it comes to games. Dude. What the hell are you doing? Transistor egg. What is this? Oh, okay. I'm just locked in, dude. I'm just so locked in. What did you do? You're sneaky. God damn it. Did you realize that everybody left the stream? It's just 3 of us, guys. Second rank. Okay. I think I'm done, guys. I'm really done. It was fun, but I gotta go, man. I gotta dip. I'm like dying. And for some reason I'm lagging too. But it was nice. Got some progress. Good game. GG. Yeah, I'm actually just gonna go. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. It's been a great stream. I gotta crash now. Kernel panic. Know what I'm saying? Tomorrow is Friday. Oh, today is Friday. Wow. Time flies so fast. I feel like Friday was yesterday. But anyways, good night. Good day. Based on your time zone, and see you around. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Mr. Dick, it's time to sleep in. Absolutely. Let's sleep in. Transhistoric, Adam, Soinok Hacker. Next time, join us for the Tux card. Next time I'll probably have more energy. Right now I'm just like super done. Anyways, take care. Stay safe. Okay, stop the stream. Somebody gotta do it, man. Oh, still streaming. Sorry, guys. Good night.